Illustrate a relation and a function. Mathematically, relation and functions are two different words having different meaning. When we say relation, it shows the relationship between input and output, whereas a function is a relation which derives one output for each given input. We have different kind of relation. So a relation may be classified as one-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many. It is one-to-one relation if every element in the input is mapped to a unique element in the output. It is one-to-many if each element in the input is mapped to any two or more elements in the output. It is many-to-one if two or more elements in the input are mapped to only one element in the output. Many-to-many is a combination of one-to-many relation and many-to-one relation. To verify whether the relation is a function, first is identify the input and the output. If each input leads to only one output, we classify it as a function. If any input leads to two or more output, we do not classify the relationship as a function. How can we say that the relation is a function? We can say that the relation is a function if the input has only one output. Note that not all function is a relation, but not all relation is a function. For example, the input is you are studying engineering. So the output is that you will become an engineer. This example is a one-to-one relation. Another example, we have here a boy named Jamin. Jamin has a crush on Princess, but Jamin has a girlfriend named Jenny. This function is a relation since there is a relationship. Do you think magfa-function ba ang relationship ni Jamin and Jenny? Obviously, hindi magfa-function ang relation na ito. Kasi, nagkakagusto si Jamin sa ibang babae.